Hi. Welcome back. If it's your first time on the channel, make yourself comfortable because you're about to hear everything you need to know about my favorite course of all time. And if it's not the first time you watch one of our video, make sure you subscribe. And when you do, tell me in the comments you did, so I can tell you you did a good job doing it. Have you done it? So why is it my favorite course of all time? This course literally teaches you everything you need to know to start making money online using social media. Think about it, you could finally use social media for something useful. If you are here only to learn sales because you are a salesperson and you have no interest in learning anything else in the world, then check out the reviews of Salesperson's course we published. But before you go, say goodbye in the comments. I mean, it would be kind of rude to leave without saying goodbye. So yes, it does teach you persuasion, but in a very specific manner. This course is all about learning to sell online. Let me make myself clear. In this course, Josh helps young entrepreneurs that are starting out to sell expensive products or services on the internet. I cannot stress this enough. It's a course for people selling expensive products. If the products or services you are selling are worth less than $100, these strategies probably won't work for you. He will help you out through all the steps of the sale, starting from getting more clients. So marketing, market research, social media. Then he will help you create irresistible offers. Not for anyone. These offers will only be sexy to your ideal customers, which is totally fine. That's what you want if you want to make money online. And by then, you will have made your market research, so you will know exactly what your customers crave. Then you'll learn how to sell effectively, like selling on the phone. At the beginning, I wasn't sure about selling on the phone. I mean, I've never done that. Have you? Guys, if you did, let me know how it went. But you know what? Josh Forti convinced me. That's right, Josh. You convinced me. For high-ticket products, you need to be closing your clients on the phone, period. If you don't, you pay someone to do it while you're hanging out on your yacht or do anything more worth your time. So now let's back up a little bit. So the first part of your funnel, people getting in, leads. Josh gives you a 4.5 hours training just on getting more followers on Instagram and getting more people in your Facebook groups. Almost everything I learned in that section is helping me right now to grow an audience on YouTube. That's right, because once you understand how social media works, it's kind of all the same with every social media platform, really. I mean, it all comes down to two things: how people think and what they want, and how to make money for the social media platform you're working on, so in return, they like you and promote your content more. And in this course, you will learn both. Josh Forti made a live course of 4.5 hours, recorded it, and gave it to you in this package. This live course alone was sold for $97. And whether you are trying to build a personal brand, a social media agency, or a meme page, Josh will teach you in detail everything you need to know to achieve your goals. Now, what also makes up the first part of your funnel? Marketing and market research. You'll bring two kinds of traffic to your funnel: organic traffic, free one, and paid traffic. So he mainly focuses on free traffic, so you guys can start your business without risking thousands of dollars in ads. He also talks about paid traffic, but this is not a course on ads. His paid traffic strategies are all about social media. It's all about human connection. If you try these out, it might cost you some money, but it could get you insane visibility on any social media of your choice. How? It's by leveraging human connections with those who are bigger than you. You will also learn how to get people interested enough to invite you on podcasts, interviews, to speak at conferences, or any of those kinds of things for free. It's also the kind of opportunities that can bring a lot of attention to your brand. These are really gold nuggets. They are so simple, but yet I've never heard any of these strategies in any course. Again, it's all about human connections. Everyone wants human connection. And you'll see that it's truly easy to take advantage of this. What do your ideal customers crave the most? What do they fear the most? What are their goals? Most young entrepreneurs can't answer these questions. But yet, when you have the knowledge, it's so simple to get these answers. And getting these answers are crucial if you want to make money online. After that, he will teach you how to build irresistible offers around your products. It's a framework that Josh teaches. He believes in designing products that handles objections on their own. I won't talk more about the offer creation process. I will let Josh explain it to you. Then the one-on-one sales part. If you already have a base in persuasion, it won't be much help for Josh's strategy. It's unique and it only works with high-ticket products. But you'll see, if you want to sell expensive products or services, you'll love it. Especially if you want to stay ethical and you don't want to sound like a car salesman. Overall, a fantastic course. Josh Forti truly is the king of value. I mean, what you get is worth so much more than what you give. I'm glad I took it. It was worth every penny I spent. If you want to see at what price it's being sold right now, click the link in the description and also click the like button. Thank you for being here with me. Keep growing, keep learning, and achieve massive amounts of success. Thanks again. I'll see you next week.